And welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. We start with football as the Reggae Boyz head coach Steve McLaren is expecting his players to deliver a better performance given the quality they have in their second match against Trinidad and Tobago in under half an hour time at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex. Denise Waters reports.
Jamaica's senior men's team clipped Caribbean neighbours Trinidad and Tobago 1-0 in their first encounter last Thursday in Montego Bay. And coach Steve McLaren is urging his players to go into the game with a mindset to dominate and win even more convincingly.
The biggest thing is their attitude, their spirit. We've got quality, and I think that was the thing I've said to them, that we won the game, we did okay, but we can do better.
McLaren is making it clear once again that he expects no less from this 28-man squad that is made up of mostly local-based players than he would if the team had more English-based players.
We've said to the players, look, this is a Jamaican Reggae Boyz team. This is not a B team or C team or locals team. This is the proper team. This is the seniors, and we don't play friendlies. Everybody wants to beat Jamaica, and I think Trinidad want to beat us a lot more than probably other nations do. So we have to go into the contest exactly like we did on Thursday, with that great attitude, stay in the game, get stronger as the game goes on, subs make an impact, and win the game.
He knows he has a task on his hands with a big squad, but is committed to giving an opportunity to as many players as possible.
We're trying to include everybody and give people minutes. It's difficult. We've got 28 players. We did that on Thursday. We changed 9-10 players. Did it at irregular intervals, and I think it worked. So the team might not be the same, but everybody must be ready to impact whether they start or whether they come on.
The match kicks off at 8 p.m. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.